right now we're going to Buffalo Wild Wings and we're gonna grab some chicken and it's gonna be wonderful. And then we have Babe here. Guys, look at this sexy piece of meat right here. He cut off his beard.
Stop it.
And like, he's looking like a new man and I love it. And then we're also gonna go to Target and get some sandals for Luca because he doesn't have any sandals. And then I found out that they have a sale right now, clearance for sandals for kids. And one of my followers on Instagram posted it, and she got her son some Spider-Man sandals. So we're gonna see what they have, cause I want Luca to have Spider-Man sandals, cause like who doesn't like Spider-Man? But yeah.
The Green Goblin.
Green Goblin. He's irrelevant. He's irrelevant. No one.
Dead.
He's irrelevant. But anyway, Luca, you want to say hi? Luca. Nah, he's like I wanna look out the window. And then Lay's in the back, of course, behind me in her carrier. Hey guys, so we're here at Buffalo Wild Wings now, and he's happy. We're watching the game, I believe. I think it's Portland versus. Portland versus. Maybe it's Portland versus Brazil. I thought I heard something about Portland. Okay, it's Seattle versus Portland. So I think this is the start. Is this the start of the Major League Soccer? Maybe like the beginning of the season? I don't know much about Major League Soccer. But yeah, that's just what we're watching.
Put it back, puppy. Ew. Ew.
He just sniffed the pepper.
Ew. Ew. That's you?
Yeah. Hey, babe. And then there's Lele. She's sleeping. Knocked out. Hi. So he's just lining up. Yeah. Okay, Luca. That's what we do now? Okay.
Dempsey's first attempt to score. Yeah, we just wanted to get a few touches and the ball's ever come a little bit deep.
So, how was your day? What did you do today? Did you take any pictures with your phone?
I'll see a video from yesterday.
A video? A video? You took a video?
Well, like a video of the haircut, like before and after.
Oh, okay. So I was about to say, I just downloaded all of the things from our SD card. But who's that?
Me, Eric, to Rich.
Costa Rica for the Timbers.
It's really nice. Did you post that one?
Yeah, I bet the one I only got like 2 likes on. They don't blur.
You need to unblock me.
That's like that's the ugly part though. You just sized and you don't even care.
No, I'm saying because I realized what you did, Aaron.
You liar. Shut up.
Alright, you want to see this?
Can't even see it.
It's like trying to zoom in, but it can't. Oh my god, Eric, just let it play. It's because it's moving. Alright, you know what? Okay, we're just gonna insert the video in here because obviously it's not working. So, yeah. And then he's still here. Lining it up. Okay. Do your thing, Mika. Do your thing. So I'm gonna let you guys know. This dude blocked me on Instagram, so I can't promote him. So he can't be like, oh, you know. How? If I can't, yeah, but I can't put your at or anything, and people can't like touch it and
all
like
you do is
go to it.
@_Airuck.
Yeah, so I'm saying though, they can't like touch it and then go.
You can.
They're just an example on the board. It's one of them contact the referee.
We got our chili queso dip. It looks yummy. I got my sweet tea. Luca has the lemonade. And he has the nasty Pepsi. Yeah. Yum. And our food is here. So now I got, what did I say, Chipotle barbecue.
Thank you, Bobby.
And that one. And then this one is dry buffalo. No, she was and yeah, and then this guy's just eating some fries. Did you get Bobby? And he's watching the game. And here we are at Target. With Layla, Luca chilling up there, and Daddy. What? Take a butterfly in here all the time. Yeah,
Like,
there's a lot of cool stuff in here, Lay.
We're gonna shop here when I get
Yes, we are. We're gonna get shopping here. Like, look, just look at all the niceness. I love Target.
Not those.
Not the bikinis. No, they like can't have the bikinis.
You got like them, but
Look at that one. He's saying the bangers.
Yeah.
This is shoes, but like,
Yeah.
where are the boys? Here they are, babe. I just saw them. Okay. But these are size 11, 12, and he's. No, he doesn't like him going through his toes. What size are these? 11, 12.
What car is the other one?
7, 8. Fuck! I need a 9. What the hell? Why? Yeah, but it's 7. He's in his 9. Remember, he's like an 8.5. Do you like these? These are blinky doos. They light up. Ooh. That's disgusting, Eric.
What are we about to look for?
Your bat, I thought.
Huh?
I thought your bat.
Oh, you're right. I forgot. It should be already in the corner.
What kind of sales do they have? $9. Ooh, what kind of sales can we get for Lay?
You don't have a floaty in the house anyway. We have a floaty in the house? Guys, we sales. Ooh, this is $4. These are like $14. Quick, these are dollars. We need babies. We need babies. Where's the baby stuff? Where are the baby stuff? Okay, there's no sale. What? Do that again? Wait. What? I can't do it again? Wait, I couldn't focus. Oh my god. Oh, look at the swimwear. Oh, my
Can't fit those in. What? Don't fart. Oh my god, Eric.
No.
What are we looking for? I'm so short, Eric. I'm getting the worst view of you. It's not even funny. That is so disgusting. See, we need a better camera. We need one that is smaller. What's that? This is the X. Look at that sexiness.
What is this? Oh, look, I wish I had one of these.
Ooh, what is that?
It's like an Apple Watch. Darn it.
I want this one. This is the one I want. I think this would look cute on me.
I want this one.
Alright, sporting goods. Because Eric's trying to start playing baseball for some reason. He thinks that he can do that. Eric, I swear to God. Water bottles, air boats, sleeping bags. They only have soccer, football, golf accessories. It's camping stuff. You know, I was thinking we should go camping with Christian and the kids one day. But like, we can go like in a, instead of having tents, we can just go to lodges. Oh, here they are. But this is the fake me out. This is the one you wanted, babe. The plastic ones. Those are 20 bucks. That's 30. That's 35.
These are the biggest ones I have, 32.
Yeah.
Oh my God, he is so adorable.
Huh?
He's so adorable.
You're horny.
No, I said he's so adorable. Those are the gloves.
How many do you see?
Michael Jackson gloves? Mm-hmm. The tennis balls are only like so much. These are like the okay ones. The real tennis balls are harder than that. Like these joints. Ooh, they smell like tennis balls. Tennis balls smell so good.
That's too tight. Baby, I can do it.
Baby, let's get rackets instead.
Baby, I can do it.
Eric.
Baby, I can do it.
Instead.
Baby,
Oh God, what is Luca doing? Is Luca secretly stealing a ball? That one looks bigger.
But it's not those. What? 34.
Eso que tú lo tienes que agarrar.
See right here, look, it says 28. 28 ounces.
Qué hombre más estúpido, verdaderamente.
32. 34.
Look at this guy. Luca, what you doing there, buddy? Oh, okay. You like footballs now? Hmm? And Lay's just sitting here like, yeah, okay, Dad.
These are delayed, but they're $10.
Remember, you need one that like fits you, babe.
Large.
Son $12. Bueno, 11.30 centavos.
Ricky would be a bitch.
What?
Oh no, go again, hold on. Do it again, do it again.
Oh God.
Call me Ray.
I have to pee.
Call me Babe Ruth.
I want I want one of these gloves. Wait, doesn't Luca have a glove?
Catching glove.
That's what I'm saying.
I don't need that.
Luca can catch for you.
Yeah, he'd be dead by the time I bought his one.
We should really take it though. His glove. There we go.
How about you buy something for me too to help my career?
Babe, I don't have any money.
Okay, let's go.
You know, we can just buy this today, and then we get the glove. I put up $5 tomorrow. Well, when I get my tips next time.
wonder if I find a tennis ball though.
I just showed you.
Well, I want the green ones, man.
Right, I just showed you those. You didn't even look at them. They were right here. Right there.
You still recording?
Huh? Yes. Please don't fart. Eric! Come on! It's right here! Eric, it's right here! The bag of ones are $8.
How much did these? Just the three ones.
$3.
Give me that shit.
I like those because they smell good. You can't, it's because they have to be
I'm trying
fresh.
to fill them though, like.
Okay, and then fill those. Those are the same ones at the bottom.
I'm not thinking that one. Yeah, I guess. Alright.
The pro ones, you don't need those. Can you buy me a bat? I mean,
You want a bat?
yeah.
Come on, let's check what bat you want. On the cheapest, you can find something under $15.
They don't have anything under 15. Maybe this is the one I need because I'm only what?
4 or 5, they might jump $40, babe.
I need the. No, I know. Hey, look, man, you're the one who wants it. You're the one who wants it.
No
Eric, this is so hard.
fucking way.
What is it? Ooh. How much is it? $8.
Come
$8.
if they both, bitch.
Eric, you're so ugly. Do you not understand that? Okay, so I need
Luca.
like this. This is my height.
One like this, look, when somebody's chasing me. When I
The
need to
blue
talk to
one?
somebody, look,
That's 28. I need, yeah, 28, 29. No, I need 30.
Show the camera, show the camera.
Wait,
Like this.
what?
It's gonna be easy.
What is that? What the fuck is that?
It's a dog, Joe. Softball?
Or how about you just give me one of these?
You need to get the $5 one.
I don't know which one's the $5 one.
This one. Get this one.
That is actually really cool. I thought it was. Is it water? Guys, oh no, it's just gray. It's just like metallic. That's really cool. Eric. Bueno, Eddie.
I'm waiting for you to so we can leave.
Babe.
What?
Move. Guys, look at what the fuck this dude bought. Well, he thinks he's bought. He has 3 basketballs in there, and 2 footballs. Yep. He thought it was, because that's not happening. We are not getting those. He already has like 5 million basketballs and a smaller football at home. So we don't need that.
Because you think you're gonna get something? Jerk.
Yeah, she doesn't need a toy. Someone her size and her age, she doesn't need one. Ooh, look at all the cool stuff as seen on TV. I love that owl, but I hate that owl. How much is it?
Item not found.
Híjole. What if it's on sale? Oh, it's not bad. It's 30. Oh, this is not 35. Remember we thought it was 35? I thought it was 35. And we are rolling.
How much are the tennis rackets?
The tennis rackets, the cheapest was like 13.
For one?
Mm-hmm. And we're going back to the tennis house. This is really hard. Yeah, so this one's 12. And it's pink. Yeah. It says Wilson trial TI. It's a trial. And it's $12.
We're not even gonna play tennis.
Huh?
You're not even gonna want to play tennis.
Why would I not want to play tennis?
Alright, yeah.
Huh?
Let's go.
I'll give you,
Let's go.
I'll give you, you want 2 pink ones?
Duh, they're both $12.
Yeah, you're right. That one was at 12.
I already told you, are you sure?
Yes, babe, it's the Triumph TR. This is Triumph. We'll just get 2 pink ones. Ain't no problem. Oh, babe, this is the bike that, this is like the bike that Nana has at home.
That's the one I want.
Lay.
That's a sign saying let's go. Goo goo gaga.
Yeah.
So we'll go to the park right now.
Yeah? Like, as in, like, not go home?
Yes.
Because I have to shit and I have to pee.
No, because we gotta get, what time is it?
It is, I think, 5 or 6.
Check on your phone.
I didn't want to pull out my phone because, like, it was, like, behind my... Yeah, it's 6:25. I mean, I'm down to go. I just have to hit the bathroom really quick. Like, there's one here I can go to. Only thing is Layla doesn't have any formula. Yes, Layla. What are you saying? What are you saying? Okay. Oh, did you take those? Yeah, I was say, did you take those balls back? Okay. Let me put it in that cart.
Puppy, you got too many balls at home, puppy.
Oh, no, do you working?
Yes.
Oh, I was just saying because we don't want the balls. That's why I was
yeah,
like. Sorry, baby. You have like 5 million of them at home. Okay, yeah.
Thank you, thank you. You got a lot of balls at home, puppy.
Little girl, you're talking too much. People trying to shop. You're disturbing the peace. That is so cute and cool. Look at that. It's a giant Target basket. Isn't that cute? Well, we're gonna go pay for our stuff and then we're gonna go to the park and you will see us there. Bye. Alright guys, we are at the park. Eric is going to attempt to hit the ball with a baseball bat and he's gonna suck at it miserably. But yeah, alright, let's see. That was so good. Oh my god. He sucks. And then we have Luca over here. Playing with the tennis ball. He's just holding it really. That's all the time. We have Norlon down there with the tennis racket. What are you doing? Let's go to the park. We left Layla at home because it's just hot out here and she was sleeping.
Did you get that?
I think so. It's hard because it doesn't focus if I'm moving. I should have bought our things over here. I feel like you're gonna stay over here in the shade. I knew it. Ew, Eric, what is up with you when you're farting? They're over there, living their lives in the house over there. Daddy's butt was sitting right there. He still sucks. What's the matter, baby? Uh-oh. You're fine. Come on, get up, baby. He's like, where are you going? You go back over here?
Let it go. Make that move. It's not fucking stupid.
It's because you're not holding it right.
Are you supposed to hold it like this?
Yeah, it's supposed to be more down. So both your hands supposed to be more down. Yeah, like that.
It's gonna slip off. Because this thing is so slippery. Try to let you hit this right off.
It's because you're sweaty. You're supposed to wear gloves when you have it.
Luca!
What happened, baby? Come here, baby.
Alright. I'm not fucking playing with it.
Our basketball player is not a baseball player. Maybe you're left-handed.
It's weird both ways.
Oh, really?
Like this way, I feel like my arm's gonna break. It's going like this. This way just feels weird.
Is it good? You ready to go back with your little ball? Wait. Luca, wait. He wants to go on this little thing where you walk and it shakes. Come on, baby. That's not how it goes. Yeah, this is like really weird, isn't it? Can you do it though? Can you go up? Go up? Go up? Yeah. You got it. But it's not a slide, baby. It's not a slide. You walk on this. He's having too much fun on this thing. Down the slide. Yeah. Here you go. It's not as lubricant as we would like. Woo! And I'm sort of sliding. Sort of sliding. Sort of sliding. It is so hot out here, guys. Like, so hot. Can you slide? Hey. This feels so comfortable right now. Like, being over here feels so comfortable. I'm in the shade and like laying on this. Hey! Come on. Let's do the slide. Woo! And he went down. Down. Now up. And let's go up. And we'll go down. And down. I know you guys are like, why is she talking? Shut the hell up. I am talking to him because that's what the speech therapist wanted and that's what he needs. Because he's not speaking as much as he should, so I'm trying to kind of narrate what he does so that he can kind of get that understanding. I'm doing it in English for right now just because it's hard for me to do Spanish all the time because my Spanish is not so great and I don't want him to have messed up like broken Spanish. So let's just do English, and then he'll learn like a little bit of Spanish later. And he is going in a little small hole over here for some reason. All right, up the steps, up the steps. Are you picking at the grass? You crazy. Up, 1, 2, 3. Right, down the slide. Down the slide. So we've been doing the speech therapy for about 3 months now, and his speech is not really improving, but we're thinking that there's a behavioral issue there, like underlying there. So we're gonna go ahead with a behavioral therapist who's gonna be coming in with him like for 4. Okay, can you catch it? Can you catch it? Anyways, a behavioral therapist is going to be coming in to evaluate him for 4 weeks, like 2 hours at a time, so we can see, you know, what's going on, because he has these tantrums, and they're not like your normal, oh my god, tantrums. They're like, if we try to get him to do the sign language, or if we try to do the method of withholding things, so that he's forced to ask for more, he has these little tantrums, and they're not so great. Like, so that's why there's really no progression. That's why we're starting with the behavioral therapist. We're also doing occupational therapy, which I think is really great for him, because motor skills is definitely what he does all day, every day. And the sensory techniques that the occupational therapist has been telling us to do, has been helpful, but at the same time, he's just having so many outbreaks that it's kind of hard to implement those sensory techniques, because of the fact that he just starts to like have these tantrums out of nowhere sometimes, for the smallest things. So yeah, hopefully Layla doesn't come out like this. I think behavioral issues run in my family. It's because my brother had some. My cousin has like some developmental issues when he was younger, as in regard to speech. So I don't know about Luca's dad. I don't know what his family or how he was. So I can't really ask any, have any info on that, because I don't really talk to him like that. So, right, baby? You okay? Are you tired yet? God, I can't wait till we go home, because we're gonna shower, and hopefully he just knocks out for the night. So yeah. And these guys over there are still playing tennis. They switched out from hitting with a bat and just did tennis. Me personally, I like tennis, but my arm isn't so great, so it's a little weak, and I kind of messed up my shoulder, and that can't happen because I need my shoulder for work. So yeah. Look, are you having fun?